What's up everyone, and today I've come to KTM. Firstly, let me show you something. The White House of the Kathmandu. Let me show you. White House of Kathmandu, which is called Setoghar, and some people also call it Sundhara, but pro like us call it Setoghar. Let's go.
You will not introduce me.
She is my sister, and she is really intelligent. I mean, very the smartest person on earth. Actually, in this universe, there are only two smartest people. First one is Reeds Richard, Mr. Fantastic, and second is my sister, the smartest one. This is the Sky Tower. If you can see that one, insane. And if you see the roads out here, they are always busy, every time. So much of traffic, so much of hectic situations out here. But still, this is the best place if you want to visit Nepal. And just see the scenery out here. This is so awesome, mind blowing, wonderful. Wow. Ajur.
So, hello guys.
Yeah, like this is, I think it is going to be the last time when we are meeting in as study
After that,
in Kathmandu.
after 4 years, maybe we will be back here and
Yeah, perhaps we are going to be after 4 years again.
we will be in the same frame after 4 years. Can you imagine?
No, I can't.
We can't even have a picture together. We can see Dharhara
Yeah, you can see the Dharara also.
is back. Our
The video of Sundhara.
no.
Now you can see.
The clear view, isn't it? With Rahul. This is his name also.
Just gave my exam and I just gave my exams. It was really nice, and after this again I have to give my next examination, which is in second shift at 5 p.m. So again I need to come at this place, and actually the center was really too far from my hostel, so it was a little difficult, but I somehow managed. Guys, once just look at this bloody hell. If you come here, this is one of the most expensive street in Kathmandu after Darbar Marga. Insane. Right now I'm on the streets of Patan Darbar Square. Previously I was really lost and somehow found the way. Insane. My second shift exam is completed, and in total every exam is completed. So now it's just adventure and adventure. And this is the real street of Patan Darbar Square, which you've heard in called historical monuments, which is one of the historical monument in the Nepal. You see, these are actually the things which makes you fall in love with the historical beauty of Nepal. Indeed. So the whole problem was solved, and my both exams are over, and so I came here in the burger house to have burger. I can't have chicken burger, so I'm having veg burger. And this restaurant is really crazy. It's very nice. I think you should also come and try this. And also, by the way, I'm having classic burger, which is served along with fries, and it is really at reasonable rate. Well, I'm very hungry. This is really deadly. Just look at it. It's a veg burger, and let's try it. If you see, let's have it. Looks yummy and delicious. Let's have it. Trying these French fries, and it tastes really awesome with the mayonnaise. Really good. This is totally worth the price. The patties and all those salads, spinach, everything makes it so awesome. Seriously, this is really very, very good. I think you should also try this in the burger house. You'll get it in Kathmandu. And this is seriously really very, very nice. Burger, and now we've come to eat chatpate. It's called bhaja. It's made with bhuja and all, and it is really good. I think you should try this. So I'm back at my hostel, and this was the first day in KTM. And thank you very much for watching my vlog. I'm the beginner, and thank you very much.